How to recompose Jetpack Compose UI after changing the app locale. Problem overview. When changing the language, locale, of an Android app at runtime, certain UI parts may still display the old language. This happens because the UI was composed or inflated using the previous locale configuration and does not automatically update. In apps using Jetpack Compose, simply updating the locale in the configuration is not enough to refresh all composables immediately. Why does this happen? Jetpack Compose maintains UI state between recompositions. Changing locale in the context updates resources but does not trigger recomposition. Fragments and activities may also cache the old configuration until fully recreated. How to properly update UI after locale change. 1. Use a recomposition key in Compose. Wrap your main UI in a key composable that depends on the current language. When the language changes, this key forces recomposition of its content. Two. Provide locale via composition local. Create a composition local to hold the current locale state. When you update this state, all composables reading it will recompose automatically. Update current locale when the user switches languages, and Compose will recompose using new resources. 3. Recreate activity, traditional approach. For non-compose UI or fragments, full recreation is often necessary. This forces Android to reload the activity and all fragments with the new locale configuration. Additional recommendations. After changing the locale, make sure to update the context configuration properly before setting content. Avoid updating configuration without recomposition or recreation, as UI will use stale strings. Consider storing the current language in a view model or state to manage recompositions. Summary. To ensure your app fully reflects language changes at runtime, use compose mechanisms, key or composition local, to trigger recomposition. For traditional views or fragments, recreate the activity. Keep your locale state observable and update UI accordingly. This approach ensures all UI parts immediately reflect the new language without waiting for navigation or manual refresh.